These elevators at the 3rd Street ramp in Rochester. Doors. Oh, these are ThyssenKrupp. Interesting. Here's your COP. I forget what brand these are. Or ECC buttons. 3,000 pound capacity, 88 phone. So it's 8. Let's look out the window. Nice. You're at 8. Collect on G. Some of these have the original nav buttons. Watch the indicator going down. I like this indicator, it's cool. These run pretty nicely for parking garage. You're a G. These are weird buttons. Look at that cool enunciator. Nice, I'm actually just gonna into here. There it goes. That'll be it.